Hey, what's up everyone? It's Gord here from Gentech, and today we're going to talk about the top 5 subwoofer enclosures from Alpine. Number 1, Halo Series. The Halo Series is one of the most popular subwoofer options available from Alpine. It's a really cool box design. It's vented, has a nice slot in the front. They're available in either Type R or Type S. They use the same size enclosure. But what's really cool about these is not only are they designed to give you tons of output with that vented box, but they're also designed to give you the option to upgrade your customer, because what's better than one sub? At least 2 subs. So with the Halo Series, you can flip the subwoofer around, put them end to end, link them together with this cool little linking kit that allows you to have your vents line up, and at the back of the enclosure allows you to solidly put them together and create one great big box. So that customer can start with 1 and go to 2 anytime they want. Very cool with the Halo Series. Number 2, the Shallow Series. Sometimes you've got that vehicle that just doesn't give you the option to put in your standard Halo type enclosure or the wedge enclosures. That's where the Shallow Series comes into play. There are, again, series for both Type S and the R series of product. This is the R series driver, and it's available in 10-inch and 12-inch designs. Again, the very cool part behind these is they're designed to really fit into slim enclosures. The fact that this is a 12-inch, for example, and its actual total height is just under 5 inches. It's a very cool design. The Alpine logo is embroidered in there already, so it looks really cool. And beyond that, when you look at the back side of the driver, you get to look at how the actual magnet structure of this slim 12-inch subwoofer is actually used to get maximum mounting capability by being cut through the actual back of the driver. And it's also used to mount the back of the box to the driver. A lot of times with slim enclosures, you get a lot of vibration in those boxes. By bolting both the front and the back of the subwoofer together, it really gives you that great output from the R Series product. Number 3, truck and Jeep. Alpine has solutions for you truck and Jeep drivers as well. The truck design uses an 8-inch speaker, and it's available in both R and S series. These things hammer with a great design. I'll show you 2 seconds what that enclosure is really designed to do, to port down and get really low bass. But the options are to be able to fit under your seat. It comes with a separated mounting tab that allows you to mount the enclosures on either side wherever they need to fit, and then tie it together. And in the right vehicles, like the Fords and the Dodge Rams, for example, you can have enough room that this becomes your amp rack as well. That fits between the two subwoofer enclosures. Alpine's truck boxes come with 2 separate enclosures, which makes it really easy to do the install. But it's also really cool because that mounting bracket allows you to spread them out, mount them in any vehicle whatsoever. What's really cool is it also has these mounting feet that allow you to adjust the height. So whether you're putting it into a Ford, Dodge Ram, Silverados, even a Jeep Gladiator, it allows you to mount that height properly and get them nice and secure. But what's really important is the sound. And with these subwoofers, they are a vented enclosure. These are vented, the vent runs all the way through the inside of this chamber, and they drop deep. They go down to 32 hertz, which is the tuning port on these things. They rattle the bones, and that's what's the important part about any truck enclosure. These things give you a ton of output, and it's a great looking design on top of that. Number 4, BassRev. The latest design to come out from Alpine with an enclosed subwoofer are the new BassRev series of speakers. These are available in a 10-inch and a 12-inch design. Very cool, again, very slim, a little bit thicker than the actual shallow drivers, but still quite accessible and easy to put into a lot of applications. But what's really cool about these is the subwoofer is massive, and it actually takes up virtually the entire width of the design. Gives you a ton of opportunities to be able to put this into the vehicle, and gives you a much bang for your buck, getting a very large subwoofer built to be specifically mounted in these tight applications. Built into those BassRev subwoofers is an integrated amplifier, which means you're not taking up a pair of extra channels on your Optimate when you're building a system using that DSP. Very cool though, the same technology is built into the amplifier. So not only do you get a lot of output from these drivers, you also get the benefit of building on what Optim's been doing for the last couple of years with Alpine's DSP design. Number 5, the all new Wedge Series. Alpine also has a brand new line of what they call their Wedge Series subwoofers. This model, for example, is a 10-inch powered enclosure designed to make it super easy to get an install updated on the road and out the door really quick, with built-in power, subwoofer level control, and a great 10-inch subwoofer that gives you lots of pound for the dollar. This model has an integrated amplifier as well. So this is an all-in-one solution with a quick and easy install out the door with great sound from Alpine. Alpine's Wedge Series continues with a couple of other different models. They have 10-inch and 12-inch in both single and dual vented designs. Now these ones aren't amplified because quite frankly, you're gonna need a lot more power, but they are very cool with a slot-loaded wedge design at the front across all four of those designs. They have a very cool, you want to say they're Alpine, you know they're Alpine. Separate cups on the back, which allows you to give you freedom of flexibility as far as what you're setting up your amps to be for configuration on their impedance, and tons of output. So there you have it. There's 5 different enclosure series of designs of subwoofers from Alpine. For more information, visit their website at alpine-usa.com or call us here at Gentech and we're happy to help you out.